Miami, thanks so much. Let's go to the other side of the courthouse where we find Paula Reed, who has some new information. Paula?
That's right. We are learning from inside the court that the booking process is now complete. Now, that was going to look more or less like it would for any other defendant. Former president and his attorneys had some paperwork to fill out. It's expected that he would be fingerprinted, but they weren't going to do a mugshot or anything like that. But in a short time, he will go before a magistrate judge, and they will read the charges that have been filed against him. He's expected to plead not guilty. And at his defense table will be Todd Blanche and Chris Kise. He's the former Florida Solicitor General. The former president has not been able to put together his permanent legal team after the departures over the past few weeks of all of the defense attorneys who have represented him in this case. But again, this is just the first step in what is expected to be a very long and certainly historic case. Now, some people have asked me, why is it so hard for Trump to find lawyers? Well, there are a lot of reasons for that. One is there are concerns about him paying his bills. There's also concerns, we're told, about reputational damage, alienating other clients. He's also a notoriously difficult person to represent, with a lot of the political folks around him meddling in legal affairs. That's part of why some of his legal team has already left from this case. But I am told down here in Florida, a lot of the best defense attorneys, they have their own practice, and representing Trump is a full-time job. But I am told it is very likely that he will eventually find a lawyer, but it's going to take time. The other big thing I'm watching for in this courtroom is who is going to be at the prosecution table. The special counsel's office would not tell us on the record, for security reasons, who will be representing the special counsel's office. But if Jack Smith is in the courtroom today, that would be the first time that Trump would come face to face with a man who filed the first ever criminal charges against a former president of the United States.
All right, Paula Reed, thank you so much.